What is up, guys? Oh, that was kind of okay. All right. What is up, guys? All right. So we are with the track bike right now. It's been a lot going on since last update. Obviously, we got everything but the back brakes and the radiator installed. So as you see, we got radiator and everything. So we're going to install that probably later. I just got in a package and I'm freaked the frick out, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what it is. Been ordering parts, trying to get the bike uppity. We got the exhaust on now, as you can see. Got the exhausty baby. Looking good, looking good. Got the new brackets right here so we can mount the fairings, forks and everything. I gotta tighten up the bracket for the front, but we do have the OEM cluster that goes with this bike to read that it has 10,000 miles on it. This one is the one. This is the one from what I had the first time. I got this from the homie, and it's whatever. But I don't know. I'll probably plug in that one to see how many miles is on that one, just to do it. But yeah, should be getting there. We got the rear sets right here, foot pegs, foot sets. We got the Vortex. Yup. So let's go back to opening this. You know what I'm saying? Nice box. Oh baby. Okay. All right. So here it is. Boom. Official OEM. Yamaha's approved, stamped, genuine. You see that, right? So, you know what that means, right? This is our harness. What is this? Comes with a... the heck is this? Package slip. Oh, okay. Alright. So, this is like $100 and something bucks. There's the number. If you ever need it, this is the headlight harness right here. This is the only thing that's left, basically, to getting everything started up on the track bike. So, oh boy, we're about to get this started. Oh, look at it. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh yeah, look at that, not used or nothing, brand new, baby. Yeah. Shouldn't have no wire glitching or flicking or anything, none of that stuff. I don't even know what this one is. I'll leave that one alone. So this is the connector for this. I've been waiting for this for a minute. Get this in. Oh wait. Dang it! I need the key for this one. So, oh, we're alive, baby. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Woo, look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful. I got the check engine light on. That ain't always good, but woo. Got 46 right there. I don't know what that 46 means or nothing like that. We'll get into that later, but let's see how she sounds. And still doesn't work with the button. Sucks. Well, guess we gotta see about the solenoid. Can we make it start with the solenoid? If we can, then we need to figure out the start button. It's probably the start button that's messed up because this bike was wrecked. So let's check it out, see if we can find something to jump it, which is going to be dangerous because that battery is pretty intense. All right. What is this? We're leaking hella fuel. Why are we leaking hella fuel? Let's see why we're leaking hella fuel. Oh wow, the hose is undone. Okay. So the return line is it's leaking a little bit back. So we just need to fix that up, tighten that. Other than that, the bike freaking runs. Yeah.